Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The name is still Brian Patek, and on today's episode of iDevice Help, I will be showing you guys how to do personal automations on your iPhone. And this automation can help you create programming for your device. That is, you can automate your phone to alert you whenever your iPhone is plugged in or disconnected from the power source. You can do this and many more, but on today's iDevice Help, we will be focusing much on these two basic things. Alright, so let's get started. You first of all search for your Siri shortcut app. Then you open the app. You go ahead and look at the bottom of the screen. You'll find three options, but we go ahead and select automations. After that, then we tap on create personal automation. Alright, so you scroll to the bottom of the screen and you find charger. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and select charger. You see, we have two options here. First one is connected and the second one is disconnected. We go ahead and choose the connected. This will help us to get notified when our phone is plugged in the charging system. Alright, so we'll go ahead and add an action. So we will search for speak. Scroll down and find speak test in the actions. So we'll go ahead and tap on it. Then we fill this text area with what we want our iPhone to say whenever it's connected to the power source. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and use charging. When we are done, we will then click on the next button. Alright, so we will turn off ask before running. We will turn this off. Then we click on the done button. As you can see, we have just created an automation here, and this will actually work. Alright, so I'm going to plug in the charger so that you see it for yourself, that it will run an automation and my phone will actually give me an alert that is charging. Alright,
charging.
Alright, as you already heard, my phone told me that it's charging, and this is a very simple way to run this automation. Alright, so guys, we are going to go ahead and do the second automation, which is when your phone is disconnected from the power source, the alert it will give you. So you go ahead and select is disconnected. Then don't forget to turn off is connected. So we have to switch on the disconnected. Then we click on next. So we'll go through the same procedures, just like the one we did for the first one. Alright guys, search for speak, click on it, then you enter your text. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and type charger unplug. Alright guys, so we click on next, and don't forget to turn this off. Ask before running, please turn it off, don't forget it. Then we click on done. Alright guys, so whenever our phone is plugged in the charging, it gives us an alert,
charging.
And whenever it is unplugged from the power source, it will also give us a notification, which is an alert.
Charger unplugged.
Alright guys, so this is all for today, and I hope you leave a comment in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Stay safe.